How's it everyone? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. My name is Mullo and the gorgeous lady you usually see beside me is now behind the camera recording this because she's already done her challenge. Yeah, so I have a challenge today, preparing to be a dad. She's already done her challenge, doing something that we're not usually good at. She's baked, and please check out the link in this video to see her challenge. Anyway, I shouldn't be laughing as hard because I'm about to take on a daunting challenge. I'm about to connect this thing because most likely as a dad, I'm going to have to connect stuff. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Okay, so we got this pram on the internet online, and yeah, it's my job today as the challenge to connect it. So let's see the different parts of this thing. This is baby car seat, I presume. This came separate, it didn't come in the box, so I'm gonna put this there.
Request my chariot, get ya. The doors OPEN. Take the hot road and hop in. First impression.
When the pram is done, no, it's supposed to look like this. Baby, you have the manual. Bring it here. Why you what? You're trying to make this more difficult than it is, aren't you? Okay, manual. All right. So this is in Mandarin. So this is useless to me.
But it's not useless. Maybe just look at the pictures and then, you know, it'll show you what to connect where. So you don't have to read, but...
Oh, yeah. Because you know this bar... Yeah, vele. This is the bar that... Okay, so the small wheels go in front, the bigger wheels go...
Open up. Need to deep breathe, heart and complications. Open up. Need to reread our conversation. Got me contemplation over our situation. Open up. You OPN.
Okay, back wheels. I don't know why I'm connecting wheels first, but I am. It's because the first thing I know.
You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends.
Okay. But I thought logically, you know what? Not logical.
Open up.
I got this as a gift. It's supposed to make me drink more water, and it says, "Get started, drink more, don't stop, almost there. You did it! 1.5 liters of water, yeah!" So this contraption,
The bassinet.
a bassinet.
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 The bottom looks very empty.
Also, no man, this thing is too big for a child. Or for a newborn. Oh, okay, cool. Alright.
On my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The doors OPEN. Take the hot road and hop in.
Dude, we've clearly seen that I struggle with zips, so...
Engaging is on my agenda. Request my chariot, get
I'm gonna give this. I give up.
Then the pram is not complete.
You OPN, we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN, take the hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN, we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN, take the hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotions
I wonder if everyone has issues like this when they're connecting this thing. That's just about right. Whew. Okay. A few more random things that I'm not too sure what they do. These are the random things I'm not too sure what these random things are.
open up. Need to read our
Anyway, yeah. Let's pretend you didn't see any of that. This is some sweaty business, but I've come to decide that this is a changing thing when I need to change the baby, right? This is to change the baby, right?
I don't know.
You know what? I'm going to assume that it is, but we don't need to change the baby right now.
Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take the hot road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down.
There seems to be more zipping to be done. Do you want to help me?
No thanks.
I'm struggling here, bruh. I can't even zip. Huh? I'm more slow in now. I'm really not good at zips, eh? Okay.
First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you on my agenda.
There are a few things that I clearly have no clue what to do with. But I think we can all agree that this is not a terrible job.
Children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me.
I think I'm doing pretty well. Only I see a problem here. Now, baby's over there. I'm here. Do you think can this thing turn around?
Yep.
I have to turn it around physically.
Mm-hmm.
Hey. Okay. All right. Got it. Oh, then you carry the baby like this. Okay. Wow. Can you tell I'm a first-time dad? All these things are fascinating to me. Everything is fascinating to me. Ah, okay. I'm going to give myself an 80% for doing this, but maybe an independent auditor wants to say something. What do you want to say, Ntokozo, behind the camera?
I'm just saying, like, the bottom part, this does not look right. This, you need to drop this.
What, this needs to drop?
At the bottom, yeah.
How?
And
That's
then,
for when the baby's still small.
no, then you need to secure these. Yes. You need to drop that. You need to secure these at the bottom.
This thing is fine. This thing is fine. This thing is fine.
Well, when the baby arrives, I think you'll definitely take more caution.
Obviously. Challenge is 1. And it's super hot.
And there's like a million gazillion other things you gave up on.
Yeah, that's why I'm giving myself an 80 and not 100%.
Okay, you did well.
Thank you. Yeah, hopefully when the baby arrives, I'm going to do a much better job, but at least I figured out what this thing's supposed to look like. Thank you very much for subscribing and watching. We're out.